Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys, I have shared with you some different and amazing design. For getting more videos, for getting more newly design, it's amazing and gorgeous designs हैं. कप कोस्टर डिज़ाइंस की आज की वीडियो है. इट्स अमेजिंग ब्यूटीफुल डिज़ाइन आप लोगों को दिखाए हैं कप कोस्टर डिज़ाइंस की. So friends, this video is very beautiful. So starting this video, I requested all of you to subscribe to my channel first, and also make sure to follow, be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing design show to you people in it. If you guys are interested in my videos, you get many ideas from this video. Please like this video and share it with your friends and family members. You get many ideas from this video and share it with your friends and family members. For getting more videos, for getting more new designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos. You got many ideas from this video and share it with your friends and family members. It's amazing and gorgeous design for getting more experiment and elegant designs. This amazing and gorgeous design फॉलो करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा. इस तरह के अमेजिंग टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स डिज़ाइंस होपफुली आप लोगों की चॉइस के अकॉर्डिंग है. इट्स अमेजिंग एंड gorgeous डिज़ाइंस हैं. Stay with me, remember in prayer. You get many ideas from this video and share it with your friends and family members. For getting more videos, for getting more newly designed, it's amazing and gorgeous designs. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys. Do not miss any of the videos and share it with your friends and family members on how to do the crochet work, and visit my channel. You can see very beautiful and amazing design show to you people in it. If you guys are interested in my videos, and share it with your family, and for getting more videos, for getting more new designs. It's so amazing and gorgeous designs, so elegant and sophisticated, gorgeous designs. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Thanks for watching. Take